Do I need another clean after the builder's clean?
Yes, in most cases you do. Here's why. A builder's clean, often done by trades or a volume cleaner, usually involves a quick sweep and basic dusting to make the property look tidy enough for handover. But it doesn't remove embedded dust, paint splatters, grout haze, or residue that's left behind on skirting boards, vents, cornices, and fans. Cabinetry interiors, drawers and hinges, high surfaces and hard to reach corners, glass, mirrors, tiles, and tapware. By contrast, our professional after renovation cleaning service in Melbourne is a detailed top to bottom clean designed to eliminate hazardous dust and construction debris, remove surface imperfections and hidden buildup, leave the home hygienic, polished and completely livable. If you're planning to move back in, sell or rent your property, our team will make it truly presentation ready, not just good enough.